MLTI Slam Show. I'm Ava, and today is Friday, February 6th. In the MLTI Slam Show, we learn from students just like you from all over Maine. Today, we'll begin by following along with Jet Christie from Nokomis, who will teach us about TinkerCad. Use TinkerCad to create 3D models or to 3D print objects you create. Then viewers can take the Slam exam, a chance to win prizes by answering questions about this show. Then we'll wrap up the show with a Slam demo. Meta Demo Lab. Bring your drawing to life by animating it. Now please mute your mic, and if you have any questions, enter them in the chat so David, our moderator, can respond during the show. And remember, your account is connected to everything you type, so be kind and have fun. Welcome, Jet. Glad you could join us. What do you have to share with us today?
All right. So say you have your house like right here. In order to get it into CoSpace, you go into export, OBJ, and then go ahead and save that. And then once you come into CoSpace, you come down here and go here and drag it into CoSpace like this. And then once you have it into CoSpace, you can drag around and look at it from different angles. You can raise it up and down, and you can also resize it as well. And then in order to get it into grid space, you come back here and you click export, but instead STL, and save it as an STL. Then come to grid space, select 3D print slicing, come up here to device and make sure it's on Bamboo A1. And then once you're here, you can come down and go to File, Import, and then select the STL and open that. And then here you have it all as one color because you'd be 3D printing it on this grid space. And that's all. Send it back to you, Ava.
Remember, you can always access recordings of all the presentations at www.mlti.me to play, pause, and rewind. Checking in with David, are there any questions from the chat? Why do you choose one file type over the other?
That's a great question. So one is used for 3D model for you just to look at, and the other one is used for actual 3D printing.
Okay, Slammers, get ready to click the link in the chat to take the Slam exam, a one-question quiz about today's show's topic. You will have until the next episode to answer the question and be entered in the prize drawing, and we'll announce the winner in the next episode. The Slam exam question from last episode was, in TinkerCad, what is the blue grid called? Workspace, workbench, or workplane? The correct answer is workplane. And the winner, AT from rsu87.org. Congratulations. The Slam team will reach out to you to get that prize to you. So be sure to check your email. Now, before we ask this week's Slam exam question, let's check out this week's Slam demo.
Hi, my name is Drew Grant, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Sketch.Meta Demo Lab. So Sketch.Meta Demo Lab is an animated drawing website where you can put in an image and it will animate it for you. So to get started, I'm going to hit try it now and then accept the cookies. So the first step is to upload a drawing. So I'm going to upload a photo, and this works better with people. So I'm going to go into Google and look up LeBron James. It is easier if you use a full body picture because the website needs knees, ankles, and other stuff like that, all body parts. So I have my image, so I'm going to hit next. It's going to scan the image, and it will pretty much do this part for you, but if it needs any touch-ups, you can certainly do that. So after this, you need to highlight the character. So what you're going to want to do is hit the pen tool, and most of this is already highlighted. So I'm just going to go through and erase this other stuff that does not need to be highlighted. And this was the text that was on the side over there, so I don't need that. It's leftover stuff over here I'm not going to need. And then between his legs, I'm not going to need it. So that's pretty good for what I can do. And then I'm just going to hit next. And now is the part where it's going to get all the animations. So it pretty much does this part for you if you have a full body picture, but if you do not, and it does not recognize any ankles, knees, or anything like that, it will just put it at the bottom of the screen, and you can't really do anything about that. So it did this part for me, so I'm going to hit next. And now it's going to show my animation. So now you have some choices. You can make them dance, make a funny thing, jumping, or walking. So I'm going to do walking. So I'm just going to choose the first. And it will show my image walking. It is pretty interesting to see what it makes them do. But yeah, that was Meta Demo Lab, and my name is Shu Grant. Thank you.
Thanks for that information, Drew. Okay, let's get ready for the slam exam. Our moderator will put the link in the chat, or if you are not watching the live, visit mlti.me and click on the slam exam link at the top to enter your answer. You can enter anytime before next week's show. Okay, the slam exam question is, which file type is used to 3D print objects? STL, GIF, or MP3? Okay, we'll announce the winner randomly selected from all correct answers next episode. Good luck. Thanks everyone for joining today's MLTI Slam Show. Thanks to our presenter, Jet Christie, our moderator, David, and our director, Jackson and Gavin. Slammers, if you have any questions, would like to make comments, or share the work you created today on the show, visit www.mlti.me and contact us. Those of you in the live stream right now, stick around for the after show live discussion. Student leadership ambassadors, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.
The MLTI Slam Show is a program of the Maine Department of Education. For more information about this and other innovative educational initiatives, please visit www.maine.gov/DOE.